Welcome to my Life Skills channel. Now I'm asking you, what is a notion? Simply, notion means general idea, or you paint a picture of something or someone in your mind when you haven't seen or done something like that. You don't know about, but you paint a picture. Now, if I'll ask you, tell me your notion of a ghost, because probably most of the people, nobody has seen really what is ghost is, but different people have different notions about a ghost. Some might say that a monster, others might say that a shadow of a woman wearing white clothes, isn't it? But this notion has some benefits. When it becomes a wrong notion, it becomes harmful. That's why my today's topic is how notion works. Hello, I am Nandini Das, academician, author and citizen journalist. So now what I'll do, I'll tell you two benefits of this notion. Then I'll tell you three harmful impacts of wrong notion. So without further ado, let's start with number one benefit of having a notion. What makes it makes to accustomed about something, or it makes you to understand something beforehand. Take for instance, if you are for the first time you are flying, but if beforehand you have an idea about the turbulence, then you will not be more fearful when you are in the plane, right? Then number two is the benefit of this notion is it prepares you to accommodate to something, right? When you haven't done something, you haven't gone somewhere, but if you have a notion about that, when you reach to that place or you start to do certain things, if you have notion that, then you can do it better way. Take for instance, if you are appearing as a TOEFL or such exam, but beforehand if you created your notion about this exams by watching some mock interviews or reading or knowing something about how the written test, the listening test goes on, then based on your notion, how you will conduct yourself while appearing the exam, that will have a good result, right? Now when you know the two benefits of having a notion, now coming to when you have a wrong notion, what happens when you have a wrong notion? Number one harmful impact of a wrong notion is it leads to some untoward happenings. Take for example mob lynching. When people don't know about something, they have a wrong notion about someone or something, then they commit such a crime. Even mob lynching means killing or something like that, some crime, right? So this is the impact of wrong notion. People have something they built up or based on some fake or something or whatever they hear saying or something like that, then they commit such things. Then number two is wrong impact or harmful impact of having a wrong notion is it spoils your relationship. How? When you have a wrong notion and you say something, you do something that is inappropriate, then that spoils your relationship, isn't it? Number three harmful impact of having a wrong notion is it takes away all your good qualities. When you have a wrong notion and you don't have, actually this is the thing, you don't have control on yourself, how to manage yourself, then it takes away your decency, it takes away your empathy. It takes away your educated culture. So you just behave in the opposite way, isn't it? That happens with, right? So maybe you can do that in the comment box. Write down whether I told you two benefits of the notion, so how you have been benefited because of this notion, or if you have some wrong impact of wrong notion, you just write down in the comment box. And before that, let me tell you that, so what is the lesson we learn from this, benefits and harmful impact of wrong notion? That channelize your notion in a building something good, something neat, something clean, right? Something useful but not harmful. Now, what to do? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.